In today's video, I'll be showing you how to activate the Just Eat Courier app. Now, activating the Just Eat Courier app involves just a few steps, and this is to ensure that you're ready to deliver for the platform. Now, if you haven't yet created an account, I recommend you do this on your PC, as in my opinion, it's a lot easier. So I'm going to show you how to get set up on PC, and then we can log in to the Just Eat Courier app. So the first thing you must do is actually head over to Google and just search for Just Eat. And from there, we can head over to the Just Eat website, which is this one right here. From here, we'll be on their homepage, and we can go to the top and look for this option which says Deliver with Just Eat. We will then get taken to this page where it tells us what we need. So we need to be aged 18 or over. We must have a smartphone with data. We must have the proof of right to work in the UK. And as long as we meet those requirements, we'll be ready to actually start applying. So we can click apply here. And from there, we can start entering in our information. So you just need to enter in your first name, last name, email, phone number, as well as your city and town. And from there, you can create an account. So from here, it tells us to create your account. And this is to access the Courier portal and Courier app. So once we've completed this step, if you wanted to finish the rest of the tutorial on the app, that is something you can do, as you'll be able to download the Courier app and log in with those details we're entering right now. So what we have to do is just go through this process, and we will also have to upload some documents such as our ID, and this is for verification purposes. From there, you'll have a few more steps such as completing the Just Eat training, and also purchasing or verifying your delivery bags. And once you finish setting up your account, you can actually head over to the Just Eat Courier app. Now, if you're on an Android, you're going to want to go to the Google Play Store, and you can simply download this Just Eat Courier app. However, if you're on iPhone, you will have to go over to the iPhone App Store and download the corresponding app. From there, when you get prompted to sign in, you can sign in with the same email and password we used to create the account that we made in this video. And once you're logged in, you'll then be able to deliver for Just Eat, and you'll be able to edit all the relevant information about your account, including where you want to deliver, as well as managing all your transactions and getting paid. So that's exactly how you can activate the Courier app for Just Eat. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, please go ahead and comment down below to say it helped you out, and also like and subscribe to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.